Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the foundation. Open Logic and create a new project with 48K HC/24-bit. Next, set your tempo around 160-170 BPM and enable the metronome so timing is locked in. Once done, import a tight jungle break loop and trim transient edges. Make a sampler track for that loop and load a deep sub-bass instrument. Make sure to name tracks clearly, route drums to a bus, and keep levels below 0 dB to avoid clipping. You now focus on sculpting the core sound. Chop the drum break into 1/16 and 1/32 slices and reprogram velocities for that jittery, shuffled feel. Then, route those slices to a drum bus and add parallel compression and a gentle high pass on the bus to clear low mud. Once done, design a sub-bass patch with a sine plus saw blend and sidechain it to the kick so the low end breathes. Finally, sketch a 64-bar arrangement with intro, drop and break down sections. To finish, balance levels and add movement. Automate a high-pass filter on pads, ramp reverb sends during transitions, and modulate delay feedback for rhythmic interest. Make sure the sub is mono and use mid-side EQ to clear competing frequencies. Then add gentle saturation on the master bus for glue, but keep peaks under 0 dB. Once satisfied, export individual stems and a 24-bit master. Test playback on headphones, studio monitors, and a small speaker to catch issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.